Hello, my name is Brendan Dorr. I'm in my bar here in Baltimore, Maryland called Dutch Courage. I hope you come up and visit us sometime. But today I'm going to show you how to make a really awesome classic cocktail called a Corpse Reviver number 2. Yes, there is a number 1, but the number 2 is the more popular. This cocktail uses some ingredients that you can find at Tenth Ward Distillery in Frederick, Maryland. So today, let's show you how to make this cocktail. It uses 5 different ingredients, mostly 4 main ingredients. Your first ingredient is going to be fresh lemon juice. Use 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. We use a little bit of an orange liqueur. I'm using a dry curacao. You can use like a triple sec if you wanted to. So 3/4 ounce of your orange cordial. And then a little bit of aperitif. This is going to be either Lillet or Cochi Americano. A little bit more of a specialty ingredient, but something that shouldn't be too hard to find and pick up. 3/4 of an ounce of Cochi Americano. And then, of course, our 10th Ward Jennifer Style Gin. This is going to also be 3/4 of an ounce. And then we're going to shake this cocktail up. Throw in a little ice. Just shake it for about 10 seconds, nice and hard. Get your cocktail nice and frosty and well diluted. Once your tin is nice and frosty, it's ready to go. Oh, and I almost forgot. We use a little bit of absinthe. So we keep ours here at Dutch Courage in a little spray bottle, a little atomizer. But you can take 10th Ward's absinthe and just pour a tiny little bit in there, rinse it around, and just dump it. But what I do to make it nice and effective is just spritz it in there with a little spray bottle. You can pick these up online or sometimes at grocery stores, but you don't always have to have it. You can just take the absinthe, pour it in, rinse it, and you'll be all set. So then strain our cocktail into our beautiful cocktail glass. And it's that simple. Now we have a Corpse Reviver number 2. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. And everyone stay safe. We'll see you here at Dutch Courage in the future. Cheers.